All right, we've got only two more. It says, you visit the Grand Canyon and drop a penny off a cliff. The distance the penny will fall first is 16 feet, second, 48 feet, the next second, 80 feet, third second, and so on. Write a formula to represent this sequence. Well, from 16 to 48, I got 32. And then from 48 to 80, I also got 32. So our D is equal to 32. Our initial value was 16, and so I'm just going to use my formula. A to the n will be equal to 32 times n minus 1 plus our initial value, which is 16. And then we need to find, so there's our formula. We can go ahead and simplify this by distributing. 32 times n is 32n. 32 times negative 1 is negative 32 plus 16. Negative 32 plus 16 ends up being negative 16. So we get 32n minus 16 is our final formula. Now it says, how far will a penny travel after 6 seconds? So all we have to do is take 6, plug it in for n. So a to the 6 would be 32 times 6 minus 16. And 32 times 6 minus 16 ends up being 176. So at 176, and it was talking about feet, that's how far it will be down after 6 seconds. Now, next question, the total bank loan for Sarah's new car is $15,265. The bank automatically withdraws $295.80 each month to pay off the car. Write the formula for this sequence. Now, on this one, it didn't tell us all the individual values, but it gave us how much each month was. So it gave us the D. Each month she pays off, so she gets subtracted from her bank account $295.80. In the initial value, they started out and the car was worth $15,265. Now, let's plug those into the formula. So, a to the n is equal to negative 295.80 times n minus 1 plus 15,265. Don't freak out because they're big numbers. You do have a calculator, okay? Multiply this by n and then times negative 1. So this would be negative 295.80 n plus 295.80, because a negative times a negative is a positive. And then we're going to add 15,265. These two are like terms, so let's add those together. 295.80 plus 15,265 gives me 15,560.8. So negative 295.80 n plus 15,560.80. Then it says, what's the balance of the loan after 2 years? Well, think about this. Each month she pays off this month. In 2 years, how many months is that? Well, 12 months in a year. 2 times 12 is 24. So in 24 months. So we're figuring out a to the 24. So we'll take negative 295.80, multiply it by 24, and then add 15,560.80. We get 8,461.6, so she will still owe $8,461.60. All right, that's it for the notes. Let me show you what to do on your assignment. So, your assignment is this paper. It says Homework Unit 3-5, prep for a quiz. For these first 6, all you have to do is identify if it's a sequence, yes or no, and then find the common difference. For these next 4, you got to find the next 3 terms. For these next 4, find the nth term in the sequence. Write an equation just like what we did in the notes, and then find a to the 24. So plug in 24 for the n, and then we have 2 word problems. You know what? Let's go with the odds today. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and 15. Okay. Good luck on your assignment, guys. Hope these was helpful.